I feel like this program is exactly what I've been looking for, and after I've been here for a month, I have branched out and met so many people over such a short span of time. I feel like just lucky to be in classes that are full of practical and creative.
Being at a multicultural environment has allowed me to discover people from all around the world, and we can exchange different points of view, and by working in projects together has really helped us to develop our skills in terms of business and artificial intelligence as well.
I love my campus because it's in the city center. From the rooftop I can see the entire city. The view is amazing, and in the middle of the city there's big tech hubs now, and Apple, Google, everything they're opening their headquarters and offices here. So it's a great opportunity for me. So if I want to intern there in the future.
I would really encourage them to recommend to come to EADA if they want to have a developed business skills. And I think it's really important to get to know that we're at a business school, and maybe the things that we get to do are more practical, and it can really help us for us developing in our future and jobs.
Keep your ears open, keep a smile on, and just get ready to learn a lot about Barcelona, a lot about these courses you're focusing on, and there's a lot coming your way.
Make sure you get the entire experience of studying in a city like Barcelona and in such a multicultural program. So just enjoy the experience.